In today's video, I will teach you how to clear your cache in Lightroom. Let's get started. Clearing the cache in Lightroom can help speed up performance and free up storage space, especially if you're working with large RAW files. And here's how to do it. The first method is clearing the camera raw cache. Lightroom stores preview files and edits in the camera raw cache. To clear it, go to Edit, then Preferences, then go to the Performance tab and find the camera raw cache settings. Then click Purge Cache to clear the stored data. The second method is clearing video cache. In Preferences, go to the Performance tab, and under the Video Cache settings, click Purge Cache. And the third method is deleting the previews manually. If you have a large Lightroom catalog, previews can take up significant space. So first, locate your Lightroom catalog folder, and it's usually found in Pictures. Then go to Lightroom or Custom Location. Then find and delete previous files. You can delete files that has an extension of LR data, but keep in mind that this removes previews, but your actual photos remain safe. Lightroom will regenerate previews when needed. A bonus tip is increasing cache size for better performance. If you frequently work with RAW files, increasing cache size can improve speed. To do this, you can go to Preferences, then Performance. Then under Camera Raw Cache Settings, increase the size to 10 GB or more. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.